The next application I'd like to show of Dartfish EasyTag is the heat map. And if we start at the end, I'll give you an idea what this looks like. So basically I start my Dartfish EasyTag application, and I've already created a game for this tutorial, which we're going to resume. And I'll start the clock. So you can see that in this example, I've used players and I've named them from 1 to 16. Okay, now you can obviously put in the players' names if that's more applicable. And basically as I tag, so as I press the buttons, the numbers change, but as well as the numbers changing, you will also notice that the colours change. This is basically giving you extra graphical representation of what's happening during the game. It's called a heat map and it's a common feature in Microsoft Excel. So what it's doing is, it's representing, as well as with the numbers, it's representing with colours what's happening. Green represents the most frequently occurring events, and red the least frequently. So if you were to use this in something like soccer for the number of possessions a player has had, you could do that. Or maybe in rugby in terms of the tackle count, you might want to use it for that as well. So you simply set your tagging panel up as normal, and I'll go through that now. So if we stop that there, I'll go back over now how you would set that up in the tagging panel creation. So if we return to our layouts panel at the bottom, and we'll go into this example heat map. So this is the tagging panel that I used. So to show you some of the settings that I did, we'll just enter one of the buttons. And you'll see there I've changed the label to player 1, which is what I want to see, or I could add the player's name. The next really important thing, and it's actually something you just don't have to touch rather than change, is the colour. You'll see that when we are setting the colour, it's on an auto. That basically means it's using that heat map feature while the auto colour is on. So we can click save, and now we can go back to our panel. So that's all I've done for each and every button. You'll see that I've only changed the label, I've left the category to default and the colour to auto. That's all you have to do in order to get the heat map feature to work.